Every Thanksgiving, we talk about gratitude, family, and the things that truly matter. But there's something else hidden inside this holiday. A lesson about money that almost everyone misses. A lesson that determines whether you grow wealth or stay stuck in the same financial cycle year after year. Today, I'll show you the Thanksgiving wealth principle and why this simple mindset shift can completely transform your financial life. Thanksgiving is a unique holiday. It often involves a pause from the usual rush of life. We gather with family, we gather with friends, we share a meal. We are prompted, even for a moment, to consider what we are thankful for. This simple act of expressing gratitude holds a powerful and hidden lesson for our financial lives. It's a lesson that has very little to do with spreadsheets or with stock market analysis. It has everything to do with our internal state of being. That internal state is the true driver of our financial decisions. Most people approach money as a math problem. We believe that if we just create the right budget or follow a strict set of rules, financial success will naturally follow. These tools are helpful. They provide structure and a framework, but they miss a fundamental component of our relationship with money. Our finances are not just numbers on a page. They are deeply influenced by our emotions, how we feel about ourselves, how we feel about our lives, how we feel about our place in the world. Those feelings silently guide our hands every time we reach for our wallets. This is the quiet lesson Thanksgiving offers. When you genuinely feel gratitude, you experience a sense of abundance, a quiet contentment that recognizes the good already present in your life. That feeling can fill an emotional void inside you. Marketers and impulses try to fill that void with material things. The desire for a new car, for a bigger house, for the latest gadget, often comes from an unfulfilled emotional need, not practical necessity. Gratitude reduces the urge to spend for a fleeting feeling. This connection, gratitude and spending, is the Thanksgiving money shift. We talk about saving rates. We talk about investment returns. But rarely the state of mind that makes those possible. A person who feels full and content avoids impulsive emotional spending. They decide from sufficiency, not from lack. Acknowledging what you have is the first step toward needing less. This simple shift, prompted by a day of thanks, can impact your wealth more than any complex financial strategy. The Thanksgiving wealth principle is this. Gratitude increases financial awareness. Financial awareness increases wealth. When you're grateful, you're more mindful. You notice what you actually need. You stop chasing upgrades for the sake of status. You feel less pressure to keep up with others. And you spend intentionally, not emotionally. Here's how to use Thanksgiving to improve your finances for the next 12 months. First, the 60-second reset. Before you spend, pause and ask, do I want this, or am I trying to feel something? This simple question can save you thousands. Second, the Thanksgiving audit. List 3 things you own that make your life easier. Then ask, do I need more, or do I need to use what I have? Third, the gratitude purchase rule. If you buy something, say out loud, I'm grateful I can afford this. Gratitude kills impulse buying. And fourth, the family wealth conversation. Ask older relatives how they built financial stability and what mistakes they made. One conversation can save you 10 years of trial and error. Thanksgiving isn't just about gratitude. It's about awareness. And financial awareness is the foundation of wealth. This year, use the holiday to reset your emotions and sharpen your spending toward a more prosperous financial life. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more psychology-based money content. As we sit here today, Thanksgiving is just around the corner. It is a time for reflection, connection, giving thanks. This year, I encourage you to see the holiday as more than just a tradition. See it as an opportunity. It is a chance to perform a quiet reset on your relationship with money, shifting your focus from what you want to what you have. This simple change in perspective is the foundation of lasting financial well-being, and it is accessible to every single one of us, regardless of our income or net worth. The core idea is simple to grasp and to share.